really good peeled. So I'm gonna continue to peel it. But the shell on it really hits, y'all, for real. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. Also, y'all, instead of having like to peel this, I pinch it at the bottom. Oh wow. And then there you go. I usually twist it off. Now I got a perfectly peeled shrimp. Lobster. Hopefully it's not pregnant. Let's see. Ugh. This looked worse than being pregnant. Yo, I just cut that piece off because it was disgusting. It's right there. Lobster. Yo, that was so freaking good. Looks so good.